I'm excited to share with you my honest review about this SAUNORCH power adapter after using this for some time. So, this SAUNORCH Universal International Travel Power Adapter is perfect for travelers who can't live with just a smartphone, and it might be perfect for you. So, I've used this for some time now, and what I love about this is that it has a 4 USB ports that you can have your phones and tablets charging all at the same time. So, as you can see, so we have here labeled as US, Australia, UK, and Europe. So, it also has one universal AC socket power. So, this one. So, this is to powering up any other appliances or gizmo or your gadgets that you might be bringing along to your travel. So this adapter also has a smart IC chip, and it recognizes the devices plugged in and adjusts the right current output automatically. So there are also a chip that boosts a charging speed, so you can charge a several devices simultaneously and quickly. So I used this once in my travel, and after using it for some time, I would rate this a 5-star rating. And I must say that this is worth buying because this travel adapter covers over 150 countries, and I might say that this is perfect for your next trip.